Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to answer or reject a phone call in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. At first I'll show you how to answer a phone call. Now to answer this phone call, you have to just touch and swipe right this green answering icon, and you can see that will answer the phone call. Now I'll show you how to reject a phone call. Now to reject the phone call, you have to just touch and swipe left this red icon, and you can see that will reject the phone call. You can also use a second method to re-answer or reject a phone call. You can also use your volume up key and power key to answer or reject a phone call. So just open up your phone app and then tap on three dots and go to settings option, then go to answering and ending calls, and that's it. Here at the bottom you can see two options: press volume up to answer calls and press side button to end calls. You have to just enable these two options and it's done. And that is how you can answer or reject a phone call in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.